How are you,
So
sir?
I'm fine. Nice talking to you today morning, and I'm very delighted and I'm very happy to know that you have secured a very good rank in the AIMS
Thank you, sir.
2021 AIMS 2021 April session for DM cardiology, rank number 19, and such a
Thank you,
wonderful
sir.
rank and wonderful performance. And on behalf of all the faculties from Speed Institute, I bring the greetings and wishes to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So can we know something about Dr. Abhinav Kumar, from where he is coming from, where he did his medicine, his MD?
Sir, I did my MD medicine from Lady Harding Medical College, and then I was doing SRship in Banaras Hindu University in Department of General Medicine, and
Where you did your UG?
I did it from BHU, Banaras Hindu University.
Okay. Basically from which place, Dr. Abhinav?
Uh, I basically belong to Lucknow, but I'm currently living in Varanasi.
Excellent.
Yes,
Great.
yes.
Now, what influenced or what impressed that, cardiology to be your specialty of your
So
choice?
when I was doing medicine was like my branch of choice. And then I thought that I should give a try to super specialty. Then when I started judging branches, then it was like I want to do some interventional branch in which I could good surgical touch also and medicinal touch also. So I chose for cardiology.
Cardiology is almost, today have grabbed, I'll tell you, because basically I'm a background of cardiothoracic as a surgeon, and you have this department of cardiology has grabbed almost 50% of our work.
Yes.
So other than the stenting and all this stuff, even for the valves today, even for the valves, there are, about TAVI, and there are a lot of interventional procedures.
things
Uh,
things are
so,
turning good for cardiologist.
a lot of work. We always at times used to feel why we have not learned all this. Our forefathers and seniors in cardiothoracic surgeon have not learned all this, so that we couldn't practice all that. So yeah, as you said, rightly said, today is of all interventions. Cardiology
Yes,
has
sir.
every aspect of what surgeons can do. Parallelly today, cardiologists are also doing it. Yes,
Yes, sir.
and so it's a great specialty and evolving specialty and very rewarding specialty also, and you get results just like that. And for that meticulous skill work and planning is also there. But anyway, I congratulate you for choosing cardiology at the very outset as your
Thank you,
specialty.
sir.
Yeah. Now, we want to know how your preparation were and what are your preparation strategies? When did you start? We want to know.
Uh,
Have you finished your MD right now? You have finished. You are a post MD student
yes,
right
sir.
now. When did you finish your MD program?
So last year in August, it was delayed due to COVID. Then it ended up in August, and then I started at around September, October, and
Okay.
at that time I also joined senior residency in Banaras Hindu University, and I was doing side by side preparation. So yeah, there was little bit time issue, and which I realized 2 days before AIMS exam, and now I have left all the SRchip and now I am going into full-fledged preparation for that. But okay, I could get some time during that period and that was okay. And yeah, my preparation was solely based on to get on the concepts of cardiology, which Dr. Asim sir, he was teaching it very good, and like we were learning from it. And now I'm thinking to bit more go on reading the concerned textbook also along with that video. So that's a basic thing I was doing, like, and so that was a basic thing, and whatever time I could get I was doing this.
So your preparation was on daily basis.
uh yeah, matlab, if you can say, okay, I mean not like very regular due to duties do hinder some part of it, but yeah, whenever I used to get time I used to be in that preparation.
How many hours you will spend for preparation on average in a day?
uh Depending on yeah, if it's on duty days, then maybe I can get 4 hours or 5 hours maximum. And like when you are doing COVID duties, after that you get off, then that we used to utilize it for full preparation also.
How do you prepare? I mean, you watch videos or you read books, or after watching videos you read books, or did you lose
Uh,
your...
yeah, like some topics were like how Dr. Azim has told us that some topics has to be read from Brownwald, which I read from Brownwald, and rest of them I mainly watch videos, like the Brownwald based videos which is in the app, and of course the live classes which are going on.
So you used to attend all the live classes?
Yeah, like attended all the live classes from October. Like 1-2 might have been like I couldn't get due to duties. Rest I had attended all the live classes,
So
and
you had time to...
especially
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
yes sir. Yeah, and especially like one class which was before the AIMS exam, I thought one day before AIMS, and that was really very helpful. The image based question, and that was helpful really.
So where you are able to revise all this, whatever you have attended, you are able to revise.
Revision was the part which I felt like, yeah, it need to given more time. That's why I left SRC for that. Like, yeah, I have to revise these thing also.
And will you give NEET also following
Yes,
this?
I'm thinking of giving NEET also, of course.
Okay. So and what you will advise if in case you feel that this what I feel should be done for preparation for your juniors or your friends, what will be your advice to them?
First of all, I think doing job side by side and preparation is a little bit difficult task, and it's better if we could get some time for solely for preparation. And like uh, apart from reading Brownwald, and like AIMS exam is more about recent advances and all. So we have to be clear on the trials and recent advances, which are very well covered in the videos in few of the lectures that are given, I think, more weightage in AIMS.
Okay. So did you cover all the videos in the app? I mean, in the Brownwald session 1, session 2, session 3, and all those displayed chapter wise. Were you able to cover everything?
Like Brownwald base 2 and 3, that so I attended live session, so that was done in that. And Brownwald 1, I think yeah, 10 videos were left almost. Other I have seen, like whatever it was there. It's a very long videos.
Okay. So
Yeah.
did you give mock exams? Did you give topic-wise exams?
Yeah,
Then,
that is the part which I lag behind. I couldn't give that exams because I
okay.
was much involved in getting the concept and videos and all.
So probably now you will fine tune all those aspects.
Yeah, I'm thinking to concentrate on that and revision also.
Okay. So once again, I wish you all the best and all the success in your career as a cardiologist
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
in AIMS Institute, and you keep in touch with us. And we really love to have you as your academic board, and for a contribution of MCQs or notes or whatever you can contribute in lectures, we love to have you in our board.
Thank you. Thank you. Sure, sir.
Once again, best wishes to you. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay. Thank you.